This is a video product review of the Plumeet large wall clock. It is a 12-inch clock. It runs on one AA battery. It has a very easy mount hook. Put this hook against the wall with the nails in it, hit them with a hammer, and then put the clock on the hook. The clock is a 12-inch silent, non-ticking quartz clock. You will not hear any noise. The clock is very decorative. You can see the 12, 3, 6, and 9. Those numerals kind of bulge out. They stand out a little bit. They press out compared to the rest of the numbers on the clock. The clock comes in a white color with large, beautiful black numerals. I will leave the Amazon affiliate link in the video description so you can click on that link and order this clock today, made by Plumeet. The large wall clock, 12-inch clock around with very large numerals, very stylish, very decorative. This would look great in an office, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, on the wall.